In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop sharing your Google Calendar. This quick and simple process helps you regain full control over who can view your schedule. Whether you've previously shared your calendar with others directly or made it public, this guide will walk you through how to unshare it with ease. To get started, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Once you're on your Google Calendar homepage, look at the left-hand side where your list of calendars is displayed. You'll see each of your calendars listed, and it's important to identify the one you no longer wish to share. This will be your focus as we go through the steps. When you find the calendar you'd like to stop sharing, look to the right of that calendar's name. You'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is your gateway to additional options related to your calendar. When you click these dots, a drop-down menu will appear, providing various selections. From this menu, click on Settings and Sharing. You'll be navigated to the settings page specifically for that calendar. As you scroll down, you will come across a section labeled Access Permissions for Events. This is where public access settings are managed. If you spot a checkbox labeled Make Available to Public and it's ticked, it indicates that your calendar is visible to anyone with the link. To stop this, simply uncheck the box. This action will terminate public access immediately, ensuring your calendar is no longer visible to just anyone. But wait, there's another layer to tackle. Continue scrolling until you find the section called Share with Specific People. Here, you'll find a list of individuals who currently have direct access to your calendar. This feature can be particularly handy for collaborative projects or shared schedules. However, when it's time to adjust this, you have the power to remove someone from this list. By clicking the X icon next to their name or email address, their access will be revoked, meaning they can no longer view your events. This step is especially useful if you've previously shared your calendar for a one-time project or accidentally gave access to someone you no longer wish to share your schedule with. And just like that, you've now successfully removed public access and unshared your calendar from specific people. Managing your calendar's visibility is an important step in protecting your privacy and keeping your information secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel more in control of your calendar settings.